right, now we've got a lot of windows in this room. We've got a lot of sliding doors to the outside, a lot around here, and we're going to talk a little bit more about this space, but first, let's see what window and door expert Tack Granata from FHIA has for us today.
I actually had the opportunity to meet with this homeowner when they were deciding on what to do with their windows, and one of the big concerns they had was it's a wood construction home and they weren't sure how the decision-making process would go and what type of windows we'd be able to put in, and are we going to be ordering a window that's actually too strong for the home. So we looked at a lot of different options for windows, and we talked about a lot of different ways that the installation process would go, and they ultimately made a great decision with the product they chose. I'm going to get out of the way, let the crew finish up here, and I'm anxious to see how the homeowners feel about the decision that they made. I asked the crews to give me 1 minute to get in here before they finished up this opening. We removed the existing windows from the house, and now we are taking a look at what's necessary. We're going to rebuild the frame, have new wood inside the perimeter, and we're also going to install this moisture barrier to prevent any moisture from getting to the wood or inside the home, and it really seals the opening a lot better and make sure that it's watertight and protects all the wood to make sure no water gets in. Not only did this installation require a lot of woodwork to be replaced inside the opening before we set the new windows, but also a lot of the trim, wherever there was rotten or damaged trim work, we wanted to take care of that for the family as well, so they didn't have to worry about it after the fact. So that's all included. The guys are doing the trim work on this opening because there was a lot of rotten and damaged lumber, so we wanted to make sure that was perfect for them when we left the home. In talking to the homeowners, they were really happy with how everything turned out. They knew that this would be a big project and a lot involved in the installation, and they were really surprised about how clean everything went and how thorough the crews were to ensure that everything was done properly and that this family is really safe for the hurricane season. So it looks fantastic. They're going to love the hurricane protection that they have. They're a lot more comfortable in the home, and they're going to save a lot of money on their energy bills. This installation went perfectly. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.